cool today. Well, your definition of cool is probably a little bit different than mine, but I think this is exciting. So, I like the concept of a Spongelle, but I love how like moisturizing this soap I make is. And I tried to make like a soap infused sponge before with like I don't know what it is. It's like, but it's too rough. It's too hard. It doesn't actually absorb the soap. And anyways, so I was looking, I literally Googled sponges that I can infuse with soap, and these popped up on Amazon. I actually got, I think there's how many, there's 20 in here. It was like $15. So let me take a couple out. They, you can tell, like, are gonna absorb the soap, hopefully. That's the plan. I could probably use these for makeup too. Anyways, so I have like this random combination of aloe vera soap, shea butter, and goat milk. And then this is from my previous soap project that is extra, and I'm gonna add pink, and that's red, so it's kind of pinkish. I don't know, should I not do that? No, it'll be fine. Let me heat this up in the microwave, and I am using like mostly white soaps because I'm hoping that I can change the color of this ugly ass yellow. Yeah, because we want to do Spongelle dupes here, not like I'm gonna go wash my dishes. Like I don't know. But if the sponge works, I guess I shouldn't really care what it looks like. But we're gonna try to make it cute. Alright, let me heat this up. This is a piece of a Brambleberry color block in Fired Up Fuchsia, like one of my all-time favorite colors. And since this is my first time doing this, I'm basically making these for me. So I'm making them pink, and I'm gonna use Rose Quartz by Brambleberry. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Okay. I don't think I want it to get too cool because I don't know. No, that might not be a problem. I don't know what I want because I've never done this before. That's why we're doing this. So, yeah. It smells amazing. Alright, I'm going to put the first one in. I feel like I'm making French toast. Oh, look at all the bubbles. Yeah, I'm like holding it down so it can... Yes, get in that sponge. Oh, yeah, it's super heavy. And at least it's not that god-awful yellow color anymore. I'll take a light orange over that yellow any day of the week. Okay, I don't know if I, like, wanna... Oh, shoot. Look at all the bubbles. I think... Yes, soak it up, please. This is all... Oh, shoot. Okay. I mean... I think that seems pretty good. It's really heavy. There's a lot of soap in there. So, I guess I'm just going to put it in a little baggie because I don't know what else to do with it. Okay. Let me put the next one in there. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer until it hardens. Oh, it's still super hot. Because all the soap is gone. It's literally soaked it up. I don't know if I would be able to get a third one out of it. Let's try. So I'm gonna take this one out. Alright, my friend. That is all you get. I don't think that that's enough for a third one, but I am just gonna let it soak up what's ever left, just so it doesn't go to waste. Let me get another baggie. I will come back once they have dried and we'll test them out. Okay, so it has hardened. It kind of looks like a donut. I mean, I'm not mad at that, but I could definitely brainstorm on some different ideas of how to store it when it is hardening. Oh, I wanted to weigh it because it's like super heavy, especially compared to how heavy it was before I put it in the soap. Hold on. I'm gonna zero the scale with the original sponge on it, so then when I put this on, it'll be how much more it weighs. Get it? Sorry, the nerd in me is coming out. 3.35 ounces. Okay, so that's a little bit less than a bar soap, but let's try it. Okay. So, you know, like you have to like wet it and kind of before it'll, oh my gosh, it's like foaming already. Let's see if we can get it to actually be soft. Now it's starting to get softer, but I mean, there was like a thick layer of it on the outside, so. And I mean, it did just come out of the freezer though, so it would be different if it was room temperature. I should probably wait till it's room temperature, but look how foamy that is. It smells so good. I'm super excited. Oh, it's like a really light and fluffy too. It's like a completely different texture than when I put it in like my little mesh bag here, which is how I normally use it in the shower. So I'm really, oh my god, that is so much better than a Spongelle. Not even kidding. Oh, I knew it would be. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you do try it, let me know. All right, bye.